A long-lasting relationship relies on trust, and we trust those who are honest, dedicated, and committed to bringing quality to life. Just like the automaker trust Auto International, the leading manufacturer of coal-forged automobile components for the past 40 years. Spread across 1 lakh square feet in Binola, Gurugram, Auto International India Pvt Ltd manufactures all its products in-house. Our product range includes OBJ ball stud, SBJ ball stud, stab-link stud, tie rod case, SBJ socket, stab-link socket, axle tie rods, screw jack pins, rivets, nuts and many more. Since its inception, Auto International has incorporated the motto of first time right to achieve zero defects. That's why all the process of manufacturing is done in-house with state-of-the-art machinery. Globally recognized for its quality and on-time delivery, the company has manufacturing capabilities like forging, coal forging, heat treatment, shot blasting, straightening, CNC machining, thread rolling, drilling. With all the latest tech in coal forging equipment, Auto International has a production capacity of over 20,000 metric tons per annum. Our dedicated team of experts always look into the timely servicing, management and regular upgrading of the machinery. To match up with the growing demand for our products, we have a storage facility for raw materials so that when the order comes, there is no delay to begin the manufacturing. In our dedicated research and testing lab, our engineers inspect each component with microscopic detail in over 16 types of testing equipment. To make a good product, just having good machinery is not enough. Therefore, every member of Auto International India is trained and supervised before they are allowed to join the work pool. We maintain a free communication policy so that anyone can suggest improvements, irrespective of their hierarchy. We also have a substantial number of female workers extending our hand towards women empowerment in India. There is one more vital thing that Auto International believes in: customer service. Every query and order are handled exclusively by the dedicated customer executive. The clients are given regular updates over their orders until delivery. Hence, it is not surprising to many when they see eminent automotive companies as our major end customers. The company has timely been receiving multiple recognition and appreciation from many organizations and auto parts manufacturing corporations. Auto International is now establishing its new manufacturing plant in Chennai, close to the automotive hub of the city. Auto International has recently invested heavily in the latest inspection and CNC machinery to be at par with the international standards. We understand the trust your customers put in you, and we are committed to upholding it to its highest level by delivering you quality auto components so that you can put your complete trust in us. That is what we value the most at Auto International India Pvt Ltd.